Hello guys, this is Sarkar and I am going to discuss today on a special topic, that's the admission in masters in Gaurbanga University. As you know that Gaurbanga has declared its notification for masters admission for the session 2020 to 21. So you can go uh, for its web portal, that is UGB University of Gaurbanga, and I'll give the web portal link under my description. So let's go for it. Okay, as you see that these are notifications. PG admission 2020 online. At first, you will have in your website. Okay, 29th November it was PG admission 2020 online application link. You can apply through this link, and okay, rules and regulation, that we should check it. And as you say, uh, okay, okay, and the right side, 26th November notification of postgraduate admission for the academic session 2020 to 2021. Okay, I click on it. Okay, okay, and download it, and you can see regulations, seat capacity. Okay, seat matrix, intake capacity for PG admission 2020 UGB main campus subject. Okay, as you see in the right side, 80% for home candidates and 20% for all candidates. Okay, all candidates means who especially come from other universities, uh, and home candidates, which colleges are uh, under EGB, uh, uh, those are regarded as home candidates, and 80% seat will be reserved for the home category, home candidates, and 20% for other universities. Okay, as you see that subject: Arabic, Bengali, commerce, economics, education, English, history, philosophy, political science, Sanskrit, sociology. Then in the second box, as you see, botany, chemistry, computer science, then geography, physics, zoology, mathematics, LLM, library and information science. Okay, LLM, it's the master degree in law, who have completed their LLB, bachelor degree of law. They can apply for LLM. Okay, and library and information science, mass communication and journalism, food and nutrition. Then psychology. Okay, psychology. So here you see total seats. Firstly, Arabic, Bengali, commerce, economics, education, history, philosophy, political science, Sanskrit, sociology. For all these subjects, the total seats, as you say, 100. Okay, 100, and from 100 it is divided into two parts, 80% and 20%. Okay, total 80 unreserved. As you see, unreserved category For unreserved category 41, SC at 10, OBC A and B, 8 and 6, for B 6, ST 5, PH means physical handicapped, for 2, okay, for physical handicapped 2 and total 20, okay. Then 20% for all candidates who especially come from other universities, as I said. Then unreserved 11, for unreserved there will be 11 seats, and there will be 4 seats for SC candidate, and obviously A will be 2 seats, and obviously B only 1, and ST only 1, physical handicapped PH only 1, okay. Then for botany, chemistry, computer science, geography, physics, zoology, for all these subjects, total seats 40, I will see, okay, total seats 40, and for home candidates total is 32 seats, then unreserved 17, SC 7, OBC A 3, OBC B 2, ST 2, PH 1, total, okay, and for 20% total 8 seats. 8 seats are available for 20%, and unreserved, for unreserved 4, SC 2, OBC A 1, OBC B 1, ST okay 0, PH 0, okay. Then mathematics total seats 90, 72, 72 seats will be reserved for home category students. Then okay, 38 unreserved, 16 for SC, and 7 for OBC, 5 for OBC B, okay, OBC A and B, ST for physical handicap 2, and for 20% only 18 seats, okay. And from these seats are divided into different categories, like unreserved 9, SC 4, and OBC 2, OBC P 1, ST 1, okay. So you can check all these by logging on the web portal. You can log on going to the university sites. Then LLM library and information science, mass communication and journalism, food and nutrition, total seats 21, 17 for home category students, and for 20%, okay. And the intake capacity you can check it by opening your PDF file and download it. And psychology, as you see that psychology, since okay 0, since no UG course in psychology has yet been started, okay. And that I mentioned on my thumbnail, psychology in masters, okay. So in case of psychology there is no scope, and seed is 0, because since as UGB declared, yes, as you say, since no UG course in psychology has yet been started under the University of Gorbong, home university, hence 100% seats will be open, okay. 100% seats will be open, oh sorry, Sorry. Hmm. Okay. Okay. And it's for only other university students. Hmm. Hmm. So keep it in your mind that total seats are 21 seats for for psychology, and under the Gourbongo University, in any college, uh, uh, any college, the yet has been started this course, psychology. I mean the psychology. That's why uh, other university students may come and may take admission in psychology, and total seats uh, 21 as you see, and for unreserved category 11, 5 for SC candidate, OBC 0, OBC B 0. Okay. 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 Sorry, I have mentioned wrong capacity, wrong intake capacity. Okay, for psychology 21, 11 for SC and 5 for uh, 5 for SC and 11 for unreserved category, OBC A 0, B 0, uh, ST 1, PH 1. Okay, OBC B 1, OBC A 2. So you should check it before taking admission. And okay, so application procedure, as you see, application procedure to submit online application form, students who have completed their graduation within last 3 years, 2018, 2019 and 2020. Okay, and only for these 3 years pass out students can apply for it. I mean they can apply for their master's and degree. Okay, shall visit the online portal. Okay, and you should check it. Okay, and get themselves registered first by putting an active mobile number, email ID and a new password. Okay, so giving a new password, email ID, mobile number. Okay, you can register. Then after the completion of OTP verification separately for mobile number and email, he or she may proceed for further procedure. Okay, the given mobile number or email ID will be treated as the user ID of the applicant. The user ID and password must be kept safe as they will be required during the entire process of admission. Okay, so uh, you can go for number 2. During the procedure of filling the admission form, students are required to upload scanned copies of his or her uh, recent passport photo, signature, proof for date of birth, all relevant mark sheets, secondary, higher secondary, graduation and category certificate if in the specified fields. Okay, and I mean uh, at the time of your registration, after registration, you should have secondary, has secondary mark sheet, then certificate, as you know, and you have filled uh, various kind of forms, like that. You can go for it. Okay, so there are many rules, 1 2 3 4 5 etc. So you can check all these rules and criteria. Okay, so friends, i I wanna finish my uh, video from here. Okay, thanks for watching my video.